Have you ever looked at a local business, your favorite coffee shop, the salon down the street, or that gym you pass by every day, and thought, wow, they could seriously use some automation? What if I told you that you could start earning real income by selling automations to local businesses without making a single cold call? No awkward phone conversations, no chasing leads, no begging for meetings, just smart systems, simple outreach, and a strategy that works. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks. This is the place where we turn smart automations into real digital income. If you're looking for ways to make money online, build passive income, or even start a full-on business with AI tools and zero coding, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into how you can sell automations to local businesses without cold calling, and why now is the perfect time to start. Here's the thing. Most local businesses are way behind when it comes to automation. They're still doing appointment bookings manually, sending emails one by one, and losing leads because no one follows up. But here's the good news. Most of them don't need a massive tech overhaul. They just need simple automations that save time and bring in more money. And that's where you come in. Because with tools like Make.com, ChatGPT, Calendly, and Google Sheets, you can create plug-and-play automations that solve real problems and sell them without ever picking up the phone. Let's break this down. Step 1, pick a niche with recurring problems. Trying to sell to everyone is the fastest way to sell to no one. So instead of casting a wide net, start by choosing one specific niche, an industry that has clear, repetitive problems that can be solved with automation. Think of it like this. If you try to build a system for a coffee shop, a hair salon, and a dentist all at once, you'll end up customizing everything every time. That's not scalable. But if you focus on one type of business, you can build one system and sell it over and over again. Let's take beauty salons as an example. They deal with the same issues every single day. Clients book appointments and forget. Others just don't show up. After the appointment, there's no structured follow-up, no review requests, no rebooking messages, nothing. Add to that the fact that confirmations are usually sent manually, or worse, not at all. And customer communication? Totally inconsistent. Now imagine building an automation that solves all of that. Their client fills out a booking form. ChatGPT drafts a friendly confirmation email, Make.com sends it automatically, then a reminder goes out the day before. And after the visit, a review request follows up. All hands-free, all automated. You set it up once, and that salon starts saving hours every week, and likely making more money too. That's a tangible result, not just a tech gimmick. And the best part? Once you've built it for one salon, you can offer the same system to others in the same niche, with minimal changes. Step 2, show, don't tell. Let's be honest, no one likes cold calls, not you, not the business owner. So instead of trying to sell them on the idea, just show them. Build your automation first. Then record a short, simple demo video, showing what it does and how it helps. Use tools like Loom, Pictory, or even your phone screen recorder. Add a calm voiceover or text captions if you're shy on camera. Upload it to YouTube or a simple landing page, something clean and distraction-free. Then find 10 to 20 local businesses on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or even Google Maps. You're not selling, you're inviting them to look. Here's something you could say in a direct message. Hey there, I came across your business and saw that you offer beauty treatments. I actually built a quick demo showing how you could save around 5 hours a week with a simple automation. If you're curious, I'd be happy to share it. No pressure at all. No spam, no pushy pitch. Just value first. And trust me, when they see the solution running, they get it. That's when the real conversation starts. Step 3, use a lead magnet with local targeting. Now let's say you don't want to send any messages at all. No problem. You can attract businesses to come to you. Create a simple PDF called something like 5 automations every local business should have in 2025. Use Canva to design it in Typeform or Tally to collect emails. Now run a small local ad on Facebook or Instagram, targeting business owners in your niche, or post it in Facebook groups where those business owners hang out. You're not selling them anything. You're giving them something useful. But on the back end, you're building a list of warm leads. And everyone on that list is someone who already understands the value of automation. That makes it 10 times easier to offer your paid system later. This is how you flip the script. Instead of chasing leads, you create assets that bring them to you. Step 4. Sell it like a system, not a service. Here's where most people go wrong. They say, "Hey, I offer automation services. Want to hire me?" But that sounds custom, expensive, and time-consuming to a small business owner. So flip the offer. Don't sell your time. Sell your system. Something pre-built, tested, and easy to install. For example, smart booking system for salons. Save 10+ hours a week with automated scheduling and follow-ups. Make it look like a product. Put it on Gumroad or PayHip. Add a 2-minute video showing how it works. Include setup instructions or offer optional help for a fee. And boom, you're no longer a freelancer, you're a product creator. Now your system can be sold while you sleep. You can even charge monthly for updates, SMS credits, or tech support. And here's a real possibility. You set up a simple CRM and email automation for a niche. Let's say dental clinics. You don't cold call, you don't pitch. You just post a demo video in a niche Facebook group. And you get a few sales, each priced at $297. That's the power of packaging a system. Step 5. Upsell with follow-up flows. Once someone buys your core system, don't stop there. Think about the next step in their customer journey. You can offer valuable add-ons too, like an automation that sends a review request right after each visit, or a referral campaign that rewards clients for bringing in their friends. You could even set up a re-engagement flow to reach out to customers who booked once and never came back. Each of these can be built in Make.com using tools like Calendly, Google Sheets, or ChatGPT. They're not complicated, but they add real value. And now you've turned a one-time sale into an ecosystem. A $297 product becomes a $47 per month subscription. That's how you scale. And best of all, you don't have to build everything from scratch again. You're cloning and adapting your original system over and over for different clients. Once it's running, you can sell it to 10 salons, 50 coaches, or 100 chiropractors without touching the phone or chasing leads. And here's something most people don't realize. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead. Use Make.com's templates. Ask ChatGPT to help write the messaging and learn by building as you go. Within a week, you could have your first product ready, and your first sale might come even sooner. And if you're thinking, "But I don't know any local business owners," that's actually a good thing. Because with this approach, you don't need to. Your demo, your landing page, and your smart offer do all the heavy lifting for you. All right, if this sparked some ideas and you want to start building your own automation business without cold calling, I've put together a full blueprint for you. Inside the guide, you'll find everything you need to get started, from the exact tools I use to templates that'll help you set things up faster. I've also included scripts you can use to reach out to potential buyers, plus real examples of automation systems that are already packaged and ready to sell. You'll find it in the pinned comment below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff tutorials on how to build, package, and sell automations that make money while you sleep. Drop a comment and let me know what kind of business you want to sell to first. I'd love to help you brainstorm some ideas. Thanks for watching, and as always, let's build smarter and start profiting digitally.